It was a cold and silent Christmas Eve in the small town of Wintervale. The streets were empty, and a thick blanket of snow covered everything. The townsfolk were gathered around their fireplaces, enjoying the warmth and comfort of their homes, unaware of the chilling tale that was about to unfold. In the heart of Wintervale lived an old man named Edward. He was known for his peculiar ways and the mysterious gifts he gave to the children every Christmas. These gifts were said to be enchanted, bringing both joy and an eerie sense of unease to those who received them. On this particular Christmas Eve, the children awoke to find small footprints leading from their chimneys to the Christmas tree. The footprints seemed almost ethereal, as if they were left by a ghostly visitor. The gifts that awaited them were beautifully wrapped, but emitted an otherworldly glow. Edward, the mysterious old man, was spotted in the town square, his eyes gleaming with an otherworldly light. He spoke to no one, yet his presence was felt by all. Rumors spread that he had made a pact with the spirits of Christmas past, and that his gifts held a connection to a long-forgotten era. As Christmas night descended, strange occurrences began. The town's clock tower, silent for years, chimed an eerie melody. The snowflakes outside formed cryptic patterns, hinting at a deeper mystical meaning. Whispers of ancient prophecies circulated, foretelling a night of reckoning. The clock struck midnight, and the town was plunged into an otherworldly glow. The children, drawn by an unseen force, found themselves transported to a snowy realm, where time seemed to stand still. Edward stood before them, his form shifting between that of a wise elder and a spectral figure. In this enchanted world, the snowflakes came alive, dancing around the children like ethereal companions. Each snowflake told a story of forgotten memories and lost dreams. The children were mesmerized, caught in a trance between reality and a realm where the past intertwined with the present. As the children ventured further, they encountered mythical creatures, frosted deer with antlers adorned in silver, and luminous owls that whispered secrets of the night. It became apparent that Wintervale was a gateway to a magical dimension, guarded by ancient spirits. The spirits of Christmas past, present, and future materialized before the children. Each spirit carried a message, a lesson that resonated with the kids' own life experiences. They witnessed scenes from their past, the joyous moments of the present, and glimpses into the futures they were weaving with their choices. One child, Emily, saw a shadowy figure from her past. It was her estranged father, burdened by regrets and missed opportunities. The spirit urged her to forgive and rebuild the broken bond before it was too late. Emily felt a mixture of sorrow and determination. Another child, Michael, saw himself surrounded by laughter and joy. The spirit of the present emphasized the importance of cherishing the moments shared with loved ones. Michael realized he had been too absorbed in material pursuits, neglecting the true spirit of Christmas. The youngest child, Lily, faced her fears of the future. The spirit of the future revealed glimpses of what awaited her, a path of uncertainty and challenges. Lily, though frightened, found courage in the knowledge that she could shape her destiny through resilience and hope. The spirits bestowed unique gifts upon the children, gifts that symbolized the lessons they had learned. Emily received a silver locket representing forgiveness, Michael a book symbolizing the importance of stories and shared laughter, and Lily a lantern, a beacon of hope in times of darkness. As the clock struck 3, the children found themselves back in Wintervale, the snowflakes returning to their natural state. The magical world faded away, leaving behind the lessons and gifts that would forever change the lives of the 3 children. In the years that followed, Wintervale transformed into a town filled with warmth and unity. The old clock tower, once silent, chimed with a newfound vitality. Edward, having fulfilled his mystical purpose, vanished from the town, leaving behind a legacy of magical Christmases. The tale of that extraordinary Christmas night lived on, passed down through generations. Wintervale became a beacon of enchantment, where the spirit of Christmas wasn't just celebrated, but experienced in the most magical and transformative ways. The town became a living testament to the power of forgiveness, joy, and hope, values that echoed through the ages, creating a legend that would be retold every Christmas Eve in Wintervale.